It's now again. Welcome back to It's Now Again, your daily mindfulness training session. Now, I lost my religion at 23. I was 21. I keep forgetting. But anyway, I was training to be a pastor. I was an intern in the youth ministry and training to be a pastor. And I lost my religion. I studied the Bible too much and found too many inconsistencies, and I stopped believing. If that's you, if you've been through that, that's actually the coaching program I'm working on right now, is helping people to do what I was able to do, which was to replace my religion with mindfulness and find my own purpose and meaning using mindfulness. And today we're going to explore an interesting question, because people who have left Christianity or other religions are used to a life of prayer where they pray to God. And we're asking this question, answering this question: can meditation be a substitute for prayer? For many people, prayer is a source of comfort, a way to seek peace, ask for guidance, or connect with something greater than themselves. But if you no longer follow a traditional religious path, or if you're looking for an alternative way to find that peace and connection, this is where mindfulness, meditation, I should say, can serve as a powerful substitute. Meditation offers the same benefits of reflection, connection, and grounding that people often seek in prayer, but in a secular, open-ended way that can be personalized to your own needs. Let's dive into how meditation can provide what prayer often does, and how you can use it as a tool for finding peace, clarity, and support within yourself. One of the key aspects of prayer is reflection, taking time to step back from the noise of daily life and reflect on what's happening inside and around you. Meditation offers the same opportunity for reflection. When you meditate, you're creating a quiet space to listen to your own thoughts and feelings without being caught up in them. Through mindfulness meditation, you can reflect on your current experiences, challenges, and emotions. You can observe them without judgment, and in doing so, gain deeper insight into what's really going on beneath the surface. In this way, meditation becomes a practice of inner reflection that helps you tune in to your own wisdom, much like how prayer might help someone seek guidance from an external source. For many, prayer is a way to connect with a higher power, whether that's God, the universe, or something else spiritual. Meditation offers a similar sense of connection, but instead of looking outward, you're connecting inward to your breath, your body, and your present experience. This does not mean that you're disconnected from the greater world around you. In fact, mindfulness teaches us that everything is interconnected. By connecting deeply with your present moment, you are also connecting with the larger flow of life around you. In meditation, you may experience a profound sense of peace, unity, or oneness with life. This feeling of connection can be deeply spiritual, even if it's not tied to any specific religious belief. Another element that people often seek in prayer is intention setting, asking for guidance, help, or clarity in specific areas of life. Meditation can also be a powerful practice for setting intentions. Before you begin your meditation, take a moment to reflect on what you'd like to focus on. It could be cultivating more peace, finding clarity around a situation, or even setting an intention for compassion or patience. During your meditation, you hold this intention gently in your awareness without forcing it. By doing this, you are creating space for that intention to grow naturally, much like how someone might use prayer to ask for help or guidance. This intention setting can be a powerful way to direct your energy and focus, using the stillness of meditation to nurture your goals and desires. In times of struggle, many people turn to prayer for comfort and support, but meditation can also offer that same sense of support in a different way. When you meditate, you're cultivating self-awareness and self-compassion. You're also cultivating faith in yourself, that you can handle whatever comes your way. You're learning to be present with your own thoughts and emotions without running away from them. Over time, this practice helps you build a strong sense of inner support. Instead of looking outward for comfort, you begin to realize that you have the capacity to hold space for your own challenges. You start to trust yourself and your ability to navigate whatever life throws your way. Meditation helps you develop a relationship with yourself, where you can find the peace, strength, and support you need from within. If you'd like to explore using meditation as a substitute for prayer, here are a few practical steps for getting started. 1. Create a sacred space. Just like you might have a quiet space for prayer, create a space where you can meditate. It doesn't have to be elaborate, just a place where you can sit comfortably and be free from distractions. 2. Begin with reflection. At the start of your meditation, take a few moments to reflect on how you're feeling, what's on your mind, or any challenges you're facing. This sets the tone for your meditation as a space for inner reflection. 3. Set an intention. Before diving into your meditation, set a clear intention for what you'd like to focus on. It could be cultivating peace, clarity, or even guidance on a particular issue. Hold this intention lightly in your mind as you meditate. 4. Connect to the present moment. As you meditate, focus on your breath or body to stay anchored in the present moment. Allow any thoughts or feelings to come and go without getting attached to them. This connection to the present helps you cultivate the same stillness and presence that prayer often provides. 5, practice self-compassion. If difficult situations or if difficult emotions arise while you are meditating, use your meditation practice as an opportunity to offer yourself compassion. Remind yourself that it's okay to feel uncertain or overwhelmed, and that you are capable of handling whatever comes your way. One of the early episodes is on self-compassion. It's on compassion in general, but especially self-compassion. I think that's probably episode 4 or 5, right in there somewhere. But to sum it up, meditation can be a powerful substitute for prayer, offering many of the same benefits in a secular and accessible way. Through meditation, you can reflect on your life, set intentions, and find a deep sense of connection and support within yourself. It offers a way to cultivate peace, clarity, and inner strength, whether or not you follow a traditional religious path. If you're ready to explore how meditation can support you on your journey, visit jeremywest.net, where I offer mindfulness coaching services and guided meditations to help you deepen your practice. And if you have a question you'd like answered on a future episode, feel free to email itsnowagain@gmail.com. That's all the letters without the apostrophe. itsnowagain@gmail.com. Until next time, stay present, keep practicing, and remember, it's now again.